Welcome to lesson 8.3, ratio of similarity. We're going to start today with a warm-up problem, number 24. So please pause the video, work out the 6 problems in number 24, and then play to check your answer. Please pause the video again to check through your answers. All right, in number 25, we're being asked to show that assuming that these 3 lines are parallel, that A divided by B is the same as C divided by D. So if you'll recall from the previous section, 8.2, we proved that if a triangle is cut by a parallel line, this was in number 16, if a triangle is cut in a parallel line, we proved that A over B equaled C over D. That was one of the things that we proved. A over B equaled C over D. So I'm going to use that fact when proving this for this trapezoid. I'm going to use it by drawing in an extra line. So I have AB, CD, and I'm going to have E and F. So, because these lines are parallel, we can go back to what we learned in number 16. We learned that A over B is going to be the same as E over F. And from this other triangle, we learned that E over F equals C over D. Therefore, since A over B is E over F and E over F is C over D, so A over B equals C over D, that was that transitive property. And we're done. So we did most of that proof already in number 16. We're just using that by splitting this into 2 triangles to get the result that we want. So number 26. So if P and P prime are similar polygons, then the ratio of similarity of P prime to P is what we get when we have one length in P prime divided by the corresponding length in P. So, for example, if I have this 3, 4, 5 right triangle, and a 6, 8, 10 right triangle, and I call this one P and I call this one Q, then the ratio of similarity of P to Q is 3 over 6, which is a half. The ratio of similarity of Q to P, this divided by this, is 6 over 3, which is 2. So the order of these that's given to us matters because it'll determine whether we'll get an answer like a half or an answer like 2. So you now have all the knowledge you need to complete the classwork and